Hi everybody, happy Sunday. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend. I'm here to share a project with you that I've completed. I found a bunch of paper bags in my stash that I still had and finished a baby boy paper bag mini album. And I have so many more bags that I'm probably going to be doing a lot more paper bag albums. I just think they're a lot of fun to make. And I use some of these stickers. They're like puffy pop-up stickers. And then I use stickers from the collection and paper from this Bundle of Joy, a new edition collection from Echo Park. And I had purchased this at Hobby Lobby. And this is how it came out. Isn't that cute? I have a ribbon binding. I used ribbon tulle and fun fur. Brown and green and white, sparkly. You can see it on this side. And if you're not sure how to do a ribbon binding, I do have a tutorial on that, as well as how to put a paper bag mini album together. And I will post those links below. Then I used some charms. I hung the It's a Boy charm from this one. And this cute little baby dragon. And then a cute little elephant from this one. And I stacked up the sentiment, cute and sweet little one. And then they can put their baby's name here. Added this safety pin sticker. Then I finished off 6 buttons and put them here, white, blue, and yellow. And then I also cut out little banner pieces from the sticker collection and put them here and here. And then some of it's dimensional, put it on pop dots. So that's the front cover. And this measures 6 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's 16 pages cover to cover. It has 4 side pockets with pull-out mats, and it also has 4 inside pockets. So on the pockets, I put 2 photo mats, and then the sentiment sweet bundle, and then I tucked in some ephemera from the paper collection. I cut them out. This is baby stats here, and welcome baby boy, and then there's 2 photo mats on each side, and those just tuck in there. And there's a nice area for a photo here. And let's see if I can get my little card here to share with you. Just grab a photograph. Okay, it's just of the beach, but if you can see here, when I put my embellishments on, I put them on so a photo will slide right behind. And then here's one of those side pockets I mentioned. And there's a big photo mat here. And then I put some pull tabs on it and just drew little faux stitching on each side. And then there's 2 pages here, really nice size photo mats. Tuck a photo in, and it says I'll love you forever, and there's a little teddy bear sentiment here. Everything's on pop dots. And then there's this pull out. I forgot how much I enjoyed making paper bag albums. They're just so much fun. There's so many different ways you can do them too. And there's lots of tutorials out there, so just type in paper bag mini albums in your search bar, and there's so many different ways to put these together. And then another little cute puffy bear sticker here. And then there's a side pocket with 2 photo mounts on the pocket. It says little guy. I think the papers are so sweet. And then another page with 2 photo mats. Little miracle. I love this little ducky. Just took them from the sticker collection. And then 2 photo mats here. So you can see there's a theme. There's a pocket, photo mats, and then 2 big matted pages. And then there's a journal spot here and here. I love that. And then photo spots there. Another big photo mat here. And then another side pocket. Another big photo mat here. It says little dude. And here with the little baby turtle. And then there's a side pocket here as well. And then we have our last page here, the nice photo mat on those cute puffy stickers. 2 areas for photos here, and then 2 areas here. And then just the back page. And that's it, guys. That is my latest baby album. If you're interested, this is for sale on my eBay. I will also post this below. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and happy crafting.